Hi, this is Greg Shillinglaw for Insider Travel Report. Today we're talking about the Biltmore Hotel Miami Coral Gables and the $25 million renovation going on there. I'm speaking with Matthias Kammerer, the managing director at the hotel, about the renovations and what's happening in the months and years ahead. Matthias, thanks so much for talking to us about the Biltmore and what's in store for the property. What exactly can we expect from these renovations?
Well, Greg, thank you for having us, and we're excited to talk about it. 12 months ago, we launched a number of significant projects at our iconic landmark property, starting with a complete renovation of our historic main lobby, phasing into a complete replacement and upgrade of our fitness center. And we are now in the midst of the most impactful part, a total renovation of all of our guest rooms and a complete restoration of our iconic Donald Ross golf course.
Now, what is the timeline for this project? Obviously, you were just talking about how some of the renovations are already done. What exactly can we expect in terms of timing?
Well, we have an ambitious time plan. We started our rooms project in the middle of June, and we anticipate to be completed by the middle of December. And the golf course, we started on July 5th, and same thing. We are aiming at opening on or around December 15th. So both facilities will be ready for high season.
In terms of the timing of the project, why exactly was now the right time for the Biltmore to undergo these renovations in this massive $25 million project?
Miami is a very dynamic market, especially in the hospitality industry. So we felt it was the right time to ensure that we have a story to tell, that there is something new, yet at a property with history.
Obviously, the Biltmore is a historic property. What are some of the challenges that you are facing as you renovate such a historic landmark?
We're very proud of the historic landmark designation, and we take those responsibilities, maintaining an iconic monument like the Biltmore, very seriously. So in this current endeavor, we're replacing about 800 windows throughout the property, and that became a tremendous challenge, needing to meet historical building codes and design, while also at the same time meeting new building codes, hurricane-resistant codes that are currently in effect. So we will be delivering an absolutely stunning product that is going to be in line with our architecture and history, yet meet all the modern expectations, from improved Wi-Fi to great functionality inside the rooms. They'll be luxurious, they'll be impressive, and I think our guests, their clients will be very happy.
Well, thanks so much for having us and talking a little bit more about the Biltmore and this exciting renovation project. We'll definitely have to head down to the Florida area and check it out soon.
Thank you, Greg, and we look forward to welcoming you at the Biltmore.